Hello everyone, Miss Millie here. I wanted to show you one of our kids' databases. Okay, on our home screen, over on the left, you want to scroll down to kids, go over and then scroll down to homework help. All right, my computer's been running a little slow today, so bear with me. Okay, and as you can see, as we scroll down, we have a lot of resources for the kids to use. The one I'm going to show you about is the kids info bits right here in the middle. So click on that and you're going to need your library card number. All right. Okay, so as you can see, up here at the top, you can sign in with your Microsoft account, or you can sign in with your Google account, or you can use Google Classrooms, which is really nice. Let's see, as you scroll down, you can see that there are a lot of topics to choose from. And if you see in the bottom right corner of one of these subjects a little eye, you click on it and it gives you a little bit of info. Like National Train Day is on May 8th. And it gives you a little bit of information about it. It's kind of neat. So I'm gonna pick animals up here in the top left corner. Okay, and as you see, when you click on the general subject, you have all of these subtopics you can choose from. So we're gonna click on dinosaurs. Okay, and there's lots of different things that you can do. And what's nice is this is pretty universal with all the Gale databases, the stuff that I'm gonna show you. So if you're on a different Gale database site, you should be able to do all this stuff as well. Okay, so we're going to scroll down. And as you can see, we've got lots of different topics. Let's see. And if you can see the speaker next to the subject, you click on that.
Ankylosaurus.
And it will say for you. So when you highlighted the different words, it will read it to you and highlight stuff. I'll show you that feature in just a moment. Okay, so click on it. And with info, it's not a lot of in-depth information or sizes. So it's not, so articles and stuff are very long. As you can see, the title of the articles and stuff, which is but that's the content level key. If you click on that, it will tell you levels and the lexile range that those work for, so you can find something that's more understandable for how well your understanding is. Okay, so it's also got under the title, it's got word count, lexile measurement. It'll tell you where it's from, the date on it, so you can try to find stuff that's more current or whatnot. Okay, so we'll just click on this first one. Okay, and so the tools I will see this on. Scroll down, like Google Ads with your Microsoft account. You can see the words. You can highlight with your cursor. it will pop up with, gives you options for heights, for notes. You can define the word, know what it means. If you've got one, you can click on it, delete it anymore. Click on notes, you can add, some notes. Save, and it will save it. And if you scroll back up, you can see over here on the right where it says highlights and notes. It's got the one next to it. That means you got something highlighted. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will see, as we scroll, you'll see that it's not very long, like I said, but you will see citation. You can also change how you want it cited. So if you scroll back up, with the citation tools, you can change it. So if you click on the play or the listen, that's same, so click on that. Like the text highlight when you saw earlier when it read it to you, how it highlighted different words and sentences, you can turn that off, or change just words or justices, what color the words are highlighted in, what color sentences are highlighted, and you can change the color of text. Text ability pops a box up at the bottom. So instead of just highlighting it in the article, it will put it at the bottom so that you can see it a lot easier. You can turn that on and I can show you that. You can change the speed. You can change whether it automatically scrolls or not. So we'll hit close. Okay, we'll hit play. So this here down at the bottom is the visibility one, so you can see it better. Okay, I'm gonna go back in and do off so you can see it. So the hands text blue, so you can see it.
Photo research bread. All Europe about 155 million years.
So you see how it was automatically moving itself and how it highlighted the text, the sentences and the words, so you can change that. It's a pretty neat feature. Up at the top, you can bookmark it. There's other options that you can do there. If you click more, the dictionary folders if you saved it. So if you click highlights and notes, change when you can actually label different colors for it. Up here at the top, you click on the label highlight colors, and it's got all the different colors, and you put labels in it like geography, and then down at the bottom, and it gives you a bibliography, all the stuff that you have saved and highlight, copy and paste that all. All right. So that's what I have to show you. I hope you found it interesting. I was pretty excited when I started looking into it and registered needs. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour and you guys and take advantage of it.